Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the latest codes and all the working codes on Dress to Impress. So the latest code is the New Year's one, which was LNY 2025. Happy New Year and Year of the Snake, but it's expired already. But what you get is this super cute dress here, which you can change the colors to. Super cute. There's that one, and there's also this dress, super cute as well. And you also get these accessories, again really cute, but that code is unfortunately expired. But I will put in the description box down below the working codes currently. The Valentine's Day update. The Valentine's update is coming up. That's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hopefully I will make a tutorial on the quest, the Valentine's Day quest here, and how you can kind of play in the new game modes. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel as well. Don't forget to click the thanks button if you think this video was helpful, and if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.